Oo, normal lang mag-chat.
Later, pag tayo lang talaga.
Bakit ano? It's
may
okay to have a crush.
Ay, dito. Yan.
Nanay na nanay yun. It's okay to have a crush.
Kasi yung ibang nanay parang, ha? Nagkakrush ka na.
And it's okay to have unserious
Choice naman nila yun.
husband.
Ano ba?
It's okay to have unserious husband.
I will let you.
Right? I didn't need
Why? Because it was just, I was cooking and then my mind was fine and I was like, oh, my husband is a very serious husband.
Sana all.
So parang, pinapauwi ka na kung saan.
Asa ka na daw po. Siya ka nag-e-enjoy.
I think he is happy. He's very happy for me.
Yes.
Kasi ano siya, very supportive.
Pero ngayon niya lang nalaman na siya yung first year.
Kung lagi nga yung joke, sabi niya sa akin, my first joke. Sabi ko, joke mo lang.
Yeah.
Well, tatawa ko sa love is not just about, marriage is not just about killing. It's also a commitment. Love is not just about, marriage is not about love. It's also a commitment. Kasi there comes a time na may, siguro mga 3 years yung parang honeymoon stage.
Makapala ito, love ka po.
It's not like falling out of love, but you still love the person. But nasanay ka na. Ganun.
Kasi hindi masaya ba siya?
There should be a balance.
Masaya siya na nandito. Wait lang. May
Multiple
two
choice
types of
na
love
yung
para
kayo
sa
natin.
akin. Yung isa, proud siya na mag-grow
Love
up.
is the
Yung
test.
isa naman,
Sa yung multiple
ayaw
choice.
niyang
Ayaw.
ma-expose ko sa maraming tao kasi feeling niya.
Love is not obsessed.
Ako eh.
You don't own the person,
Yeah.
even if you're together. You cannot
Pero may
control
point
how
din
they
sila.
feel.
Do you believe in
Kailangan mo ng
prenup?
trust.
Wait
Ha?
lang, ikaw, kuya.
Prenup.
Ikaw may girl.
Are you okay with that?
Ano siya? Proud na siya.
Yung parang...
Pero,
Parang
If you
arrangement.
die,
Takot
you're
sila
going
ng
away
way.
anything.
pero yung tiwala.
But it depends. For example, if we break up, di ba like kayo as mag-asawa, all of my
Kasi kung natakot ako,
assets are just mine.
magkaroon ng
All of this is just his.
I think it depends
Or
on
if
the,
he cheats on me, he gives me $1 million.
I think depende yun sa couple. Pero para ako, depende. Para sa akin, no. Kasi you have to trust everything to me and I have to trust everything. So it's a give and take.
Isa naman kasi ko yung...
Hindi ko talaga ang relate.
Yeah,
Oh my God. Hindi ko alam eh.
Hindi puro receive ka lang ng receive kasi ma-train yung partner.
For safety lang naman. Siguro.
Oo, yung iba for safety din. For example, yung yung isa may mga anak na.
As long as my kids
Yeah.
you get what they have,
Yes.
what they need.
So, yun yung usual na ginagawa pag may mga anak isa or sila dalawa. They have to protect the right of their kids. So, it's not bad. Basta nagkakaalit kayo.
In direction.
Exactly.
At saka yung, alam mo yun, yung kilig, bumabalik-balik siya. After the 100 stage,
After that, every hour.
oo, bumabalik-balik siya. Hindi naman every hour. Yung parang, nakalimutan mo na yung together kayo pala. Tapos, parang naapaalala mo, we're together pa. Delikado ko sa'yo,
Tsaka
ha?
lang sa kahit pag malang babae,
Bumabanat eh.
Depende yun sa laki. Depende yun sa kanila. Pero sa amin, oo, ganun.
ako
Kailangan
kasi
nilang mag-sorry.
no choice. Dapat ikaw ang mag-sorry. Ako nag-sorry. Mali niya.
Pero, dapat yung balance. Kung may palit siya, dapat yun siya mag-sorry. siguro, you need to be
Okay.
Hindi siya
Hindi naman pwede ikaw lang. Kasi masasanay yan eh.
No, dapat,
Mapulong ka rin eventually. Kahit gano'n ka kabait, mapupulong ka talaga. Napapagod.
like what you said, it's a give and take. If you respect someone, and if you love that person, you have to set boundaries also for yourself.
And bababaan mo din.
Babaan mo din yung pride mo kung kailangan mo talaga. Bye, ganyan.
Wait lang, hindi pa ako nakwento sa iyo. Hindi pa ako nakwento. Kasi yung family namin. Kaya kuya, din ko pa lang pala yung Okay, kuya, din ko pala yung family namin, may sumpa.
Anong sumpa?
Sa boys.
Oh.
Wala sa lola ko. Sa ko.
Actually, for me, sumpa is not. It depends on the family.
Kung
Maybe if
kapaliwan.
you